Hello and welcome to IABM TV. We're coming live from Singapore at Broadcast Asia, and I'm delighted to be joined by Aviv on the NOVELSAT booth. Hi Aviv.
Hi, good morning.
CommunicAsia is back after 3 years of pandemic, and I heard that you're obviously exhibiting many new things here. Give us an overview of the products and solutions that you're presenting at the show.
Yes, indeed. We're very happy, first of all, to be here after such a long time and during the COVID. But we've been very busy during the COVID times developing new solutions for both the broadcast and the broadband market. And this is what we're actually showing here. We're talking about new products for the broadcast, like the Fusion. We're talking about video gateways, like the Extreme. We're talking about new solutions to improve video delivery on mobile networks, like 5G video with our X-Prime solution, as well as broadband connectivity for multiple applications, telecom, government, enterprise, and utility application, which we provide point-to-point and point-to-multipoint solutions with our XNet platforms and our modems.
You mentioned Extreme as one of your new products, and I know that you've had several business successes with that product. Can you tell us a bit more about it and what makes it unique?
Yes, the Extreme is a very unique product in the sense that it actually integrates multiple receiver and transmitters for multiple purposes, acting as a multi-purpose video gateway for multiple applications. So we have several projects already and several customers, both on the video side, providing to broadcasters and video network operators these solutions in order to perform video gateway functionalities, taking any format to any format, any input to any output, supporting satellite and terrestrial connectivity. The beauty of this product, it can be used not only for satellite, it can be used also for terrestrial network with ZXC and SRT interfaces. And it can also be utilized for not video solutions, but also for other markets like Earth observation, where we deploy this for a major constellation of Earth observation as a ground segment, integrating this with a very new management system that we came up for this solution as well.
And you mentioned 5G video. What's the NOVELSAT solution for this market opportunity?
So we all know that we watch more and more video on our mobile devices, and this has become the first, the major application actually today congesting the mobile networks. As such, as it congesting the mobile networks, this is impairing the user experiences. We're getting the video at lower quality and with higher latency. And our solution is intended to mitigate and solve exactly that problem. It mitigates the network congestion, and it can ensure that you'll get the highest video profiles, the highest quality at the minimum latency. So we actually utilizes either the terrestrial or the satellite network to broadcast the content to the edge of the network. And at the edge of the network, we have our X-Prime product, which integrates video-specific edge computing alongside compact CDN functionalities. So we're actually doing at the cell site adaptive bitrate transcoding, packaging, edge caching, and origin and delivery to the user devices. This is also ideal when you're starting to talk about fixed wireless access, and you also want to reach the users at home and target the large screens where you need better qualities for the large screens. We can ensure that the customers will get that.
And the market is buzzing about software-defined ground segment for broadband networks. Where does NOVELSAT stand with this?
This is a great question because all the products that I've just mentioned are actually server-based. We are pioneering a server-based architecture. So unlike others in the marketplace, coming where there are specific platforms and specific cards for this platform, we are basing our solution on commercial off-the-shelf servers where we integrate our technology packed in a format of a PCIe card, which you just plug into the server, and everything else that we do in software. So all the functionality of the transmission, all the functionality of the video processing, like encoding, decoding, and transcoding, all the gateway functionality, all the multiplexing functionality, all the advanced resource management and dynamic resource management functionality, everything is done on software. This architecture enables us to enjoy the benefits of the software-defined ground segment, to have very high flexibility in the components and the capabilities that we can offer to each and every market and application, as well as enjoy the commonality between all those components that are software-based. And obviously, it's much easier on our customer to integrate servers rather than specific chassis, and then gain all the benefits of the maintenance and support and upgrades resulted of that as well.
And last question, Aviv. You know, you've been coming to this trade show for a long time.
Yep.
Tell us about your commitment to the region here.
NOVELSAT is very committed to the region, and a major portion of our business is coming from this region. We have multiple offices and representatives here in this region. We have our own staff in the major cities and countries around this area, as well as our pre-sale and post-sale and support personnel being in this region. So this is indeed a very important region for our business, and we would be very happy to see and drive more and more business from this region.
Aviv, thank you so much for your time. It's been a pleasure to talk to you.
Same here. Thank you very much.